Hey, what's up YouTube? Tony here, going to do another bots break of 2008 Benchwarmer Limited. This is the second time I break this bots. I got this one from the Bolt. We're looking for 2 autographs. There's a lot of packs in here, so let's go ahead and get started. Wish me luck. So we get some good stuff here. There are swatches, but it's very rare, so we get a swatch is very rare. So we got base, and then we got this insert card, or it's a high card of Louise Glover, and Martina Andrews. So 2 high cards in that pack. Got base, got another one of Jessica Michaels and Robin Watkins. And then we got an All-American of Tracy Bingham. And then a base card. We got base, high card of Amanda Page and Kat Miller, and base. Alright, high card of Jennifer Corbin and Tsitsi Yang, and then base, and then a base card. Base, Melissa Paz and Lauren Lacey. And we got our first autograph of Brittany McGraw. So there it is, Brittany McGraw. And base. Alright, got base, and then we got Candace Kita. You know, in the first bots that I broke this, I didn't get none of these cards. And we're getting a whole bunch of them in this bots. And Buffy Tyler, Boot Camp. So we got base, Jessica Rockwell, Lana Kinnear, and then we got our Halloween card of Rebecca Murray. So pretty cool. So I'm going to try to go a little bit faster now. So we got base, because there's a lot of packs to go through. So gotta pick it up a little bit. Base. We got All-American of Camille Anderson. And base. All base. We got something in the sleeve. So it might be a kiss card. Yep, we got a kiss card of Melissa Taylor. Awesome. Melissa Taylor, 7 of 12. Gotta check the odds on that. Alright, all base cards there. Got a boot camp of Vanessa Cervantes. Pretty cool card. Got another Halloween card, Jennifer Corbin, pretty nice. Jennifer Corbin Halloween card. 1 of 10 is a set. So we're still looking for one more autograph. I think there's also schoolgirl autographs, but they're like one per every 2 or 4 boxes. Oh, here's our other autograph. We got Kitana Baker. Pretty cool. So we got our 2 autographs, and hopefully we can get a schoolgirl autograph. I doubt it since we got the Kiss card, but you never know. Here's the All-American Camille Cardinale. We got a Decision 2008 Hillary Clinton. 1 of 5. I got Michelle Obama last time I broke this box. On base, we got 4 more packs. On base cards, 3 more packs. Got a boot camp of Amy Nicole. And we got a Halloween card, Cecile Gar. And our last pack. All base cards. So that Kiss card that we got, let's see, 12 authentic Kiss cards, 1 out of in every 72 packs. So 1 for every case, 4 per case. So there's 4 Kiss cards per case, and we got 1 of them. So here was our Kiss card, Melissa Taylor, and our 2 autographs were Kitana Baker and Brittany McGraw. Alright, thanks for watching, YouTube.